using length method. First we go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our list here. So to use length method, that shows how many elements in the list. We type print parenthesis len parenthesis and the list name, which is list. After that, save the file and try it on terminal. Cool, it's printed that 4 elements, which are correct. Book, apple, dog, camel, they are 4 elements in the list.